How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Matthew Thomas. I am here to bring you the action that is, well, this guy, Matthew Thomas, in the flesh, on the course, doing it all, production team, golfing team, mental coach, technique coach, you name it, we do it, and we deliver it right to your phone, or your laptop, or your tablet, or whatever it is you watch it on these days, because I feel like there's a new device about every year. So, without further ado, let's get into the action. I wanted to let you know that this channel is here to help you transform your game. Stop worrying about technique. Stop worrying about all that jibber-jabber stuff. Let's just get to really playing solid golf. I want to share with you everything that I've learned over the last 20 years that helps me play better golf. Stop worrying about the BS. Stop worrying about the dumb stuff. Go out there and enjoy yourself and play the best golf that you can play. Now, without further ado, let's take it out to the 10th hole. We are here with none other than me. 3 over par, having a wonderful, wonderful front nine. About to transform it on the back nine. Here at Casper Kill, we've got a 448-yard par 5, but don't let that fool you. This one dog legs further than we really need it to. But fortunately, we pushed this one right. Playing partner is, needless to say, very happy about that one. Very impressed. So what we're going to do is get down there. We're going to find it. And we're going to take that forward. We got to carry that bunker at 190. That flag's at about 215 or so. But I'll tell you what, it's cold, it's wet, and we're taking the forward. So, we grab the forward and absolutely hit a laser right at that flagstick. Fly it just over it. Now we got a little chip from the back, but we're in a good spot. I'd rather be here. If you hit it anything short here, you don't have the angle, can't see the flag, but we got a good view there. Fortunately enough, the ball kicks dead left. Just how we wanted. A nice early season bounce. Very happy to see it. Now let's see if we can't convert this 9-footer for a birdie. And it's on the way. Kisses the lip. A nice, beautiful gesture. A generous gesture from Mr. Matthew Thomas. Thank you for getting the flagstick, Gary. A true help to the production of the team. Here we are on the 11th hole. A beautifully mown, a beautifully framed tee shot. 445 yards. An absolute bomb heading right at that bunker. Oh, and you know we went right in it. You know we went right in it. So we're going to show you how to hit a fairway bunker shot. Oh, don't watch that one. No, don't watch that one. That's not how you hit them. Hit that one fat. Now we got about 50 yards to the green, 60 to the hole. It's on its way. Oh, but we caught a flyer, ladies and gentlemen. Now we're making compound mistakes. The amateur golfer's best friend. I'm going to show you how to not do those. So here's what you're going to do here. You're going to chip it 15, 18 feet by or so. And then from there, you're going to take that putt, set up the angle just perfectly. Roll that sucker, get it on the way, and drop it like it's your business, like it's your job. Fist bump from Gary. Very happy to see it. Getting the encouragement from the team. Taking it to the par 3. 203 yards to the flagstick. We've got 4-iron today. Because we're just not hitting the clubs that far when it's 45 degrees outside. So here we go on the tee. An absolute laser. Well struck. Nice little baby draw at the right center of the green. Going to leave about 35 feet for the bird. You can hear him chirping there in the back. Let's see if we can get something close. Something maybe in. maybe get a better production team who can get the right par on the course. It's not a 376-yard par 4. Lips it out. Another putt. You gotta love to see it. That's 2 on the lip out counter. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. It happens to everybody, so we'll take that to the next tee. A nice little dog leg to the left. Par 4, 376 yards, about 260 to that dog leg there. And we are just going to put a little bit behind it. A laser, good balance. Very happy to see it. And here we are playing with one hand because 2 got boring. Just kidding, we're going to put 2 back on. We don't want to anger the crowd out there. We don't want everybody to be that upset. So we're going to put 2 hands on the club and go after this sucker. 130 yards to the flagstick. Let's see if we can't put one inside 50 feet. And here we are on the way. Little left to the hole. Should be on the green. Let's go to the slow-mo swing vision. A beautiful scene. He's got the push cart today, ladies and gentlemen. Heading right towards the flagstick. Beautiful finish. Hold it. Pose. Now we're talking. All right, let's see if we can't make that putt there. It's got about 25 feet up the hill. Bouncing, 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 going left. Maybe in June, Mr. Thomas. Maybe in June. But not today. We're going to backhand that into the back of the hole. Get on to the next tee. Definitely teasing that one-handed swing. It's going to be another episode for another day. 340-yard par 4, 240 to clear the bunker. Let's take a 230 club out there and see what happens. Great decision. Well struck, way to the right of the bunker. The bunker was never in play. Happy to see it. Let's see that one again, folks. Slows it down. Comes through. Nice old open club face. Beautiful. And now we've got about 135 yards. Let's see if he can't get one over these trees and fade it around the Amazon jungle that is right in front of him. And the approach shot. Absolutely way over those trees. Very happy to see it. Right on the green. Shouldn't have a problem with that one. Now we've got about 45 feet for the bird. Let's see if we can't have some magic happen. And it's on the way. And it is way past the hole. The production team has fallen asleep. The cameraman did not get the angle. Here we are.
Ooh, that really broke.
Leaving that one a little bit low. The favorite amateur miss. And we go ahead and tap that one in for bogey. Now let's slow it down a little bit because after you miss a couple of those, it's probably worth slowing down just a little bit. We have a 376-yard par 4. We got the cameraman set up right in front of him. Shouldn't disturb him one bit. He has nerves of steel. They don't call him Matty Ice for nothing. Here we go with the takeaway. Beautiful position. Hips firing way early. Club face wide open. Beautiful form. Love to see it. And that'll go right and hopefully stay on the property, ladies and gentlemen. Here we are on, it looks like Route 9, which is borders Casperkill Golf Club. But it looks like he's going to have a shot. Going to have to hit it around the Eisenhower Pine here. Let's see what he's got. Got to carry that fairway bunker, that greenside bunker up there. Definitely not going to do it. Going to leave the most envied shot in golf, that 40-yard bunker shot. So here we are, greenside with Mr. Matthew Thomas. Let's see what he's got out of this bunker. Gary watching eagerly, trying to figure out how he could possibly do that himself. And he puts it to about 8 feet or so. Very happy to see that for anybody who's curious. This is how you do it. Slow it down. Focus right on that ball. Get the shoes. Get the hat. Link in the description. Swing as hard as you can at that sucker. Hit and hope. That is the strategy today here, ladies and gentlemen. But it doesn't mean anything if we can't make the putt. So let's see what he can get after. This for a working man's 4 for par. And not even a chance. Lovely. Love to see it. Love to see it. You got to make those to look good, boys and girls. But today is not the day. Let's step up here to the next tee box. Number 16 we're on. A nice 190-yard par 3. Keeping them short today. And we've got 6 iron today. Standing at 6 over par for the day. Hits it. And ooh, a little bit too much of the earth flying out of that one. Going to come up short. A little heavy on that. So here we are, green side. Playing a little bump and run in the middle of April. Just not going to run out that much. Like we said, Mr. Thomas, maybe in July. Maybe in July. This to save the par. One time. Just a bit outside. Taps it in for the 4. Making more putts backhanded than we are with the actual side of the putter we should be hitting it on. Here we step up to the 17th. A beautiful 425-yard par 4 lined with trees. A beautiful tee shot. Let's put something into this one. A beautiful laser listing lazily to the left behind those massive trees. You'd be dead in the summertime when those are full of leaves. But let's go back to the tee shot. Slow it down just a little bit. A nice solid move here, folks. Absolutely beautiful move here. Happy to see it. Hold the finish. What I want you to notice is how he poses for the finish. Has nothing to do about where the golf shot actually ended up. You just got to look good doing it. And boy, does he look good. Now we're going to take it out to the fairway where that tree, like we said, in the summertime would definitely cause a problem. But being mostly air today, we're going to go right through it. We have about 160 yards to the flagstick. We hood a 9-iron. And oh boy, did we hit that well. That is on the back of the green. And we are going to have a shot to get down in 2 and save the par. Maybe a chance for a 3. Let's see what he's got. Stepping over the ball, tracking down to the hole. Gary watching intently. Oh, right, we're going to have about 4 feet for the par. Let's see what we can do here. Back of the cup. No doubt about it. Finally showing up to the ultimate hole here, the 18th at Casper Kill. 470 yards on this par 5. Let's see if we can't get into one. Leave a short iron in. Oh boy. That was well struck. Beautiful shot there. Beautiful, beautiful shot. Gonna leave a 4-iron in. We've got just about 200 yards to the flagstick. Ball below the feet. Ball should have the tendency to go right. Still elects to try and hit a draw. And you know it's coming, folks. A nice old block to the right. Beautiful golf shot. A little whoop-de-doo twirl with the club. Right behind that rock wall over there. But don't you worry. Because we set up the camera. And we set up the ball. And we're going to get this baby up and down. 7 over on the day. Here comes the shot. Beautiful shot. Going to have about 15 feet for the bird. Have a chance. Very happy to see it pay off. And here we go. To close out the day. Yes, he's done it. 6 over, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for watching. Truly appreciate you coming along for the broadcast. We are going on a journey now to help transform our game and help transform your game as well. We might not make birdie every time out there, but we're going to get out there and break par one of these days. We want to show you how we do it. This channel is about you. It's about taking back your game, and it's about playing the way that you know that you can play. So thank you so much for coming out. Stay tuned for the rest of the broadcasts, and we will be sure to be bringing you some content that's going to help you play your best. Thank you, and good night.